Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to organize information, track tasks, and collaborate with your team members all in one place. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. Click on Chat to access your conversations and channels. Next, click on Teams and Channels. This will show you all the teams you're part of and their respective channels. From here, select and click on the specific channel where you want to create your list. Choosing the right channel ensures that all relevant team members will have access to the list you're about to create. Now look at the top of your screen and click the plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new features and apps to your channel. When you click it, select apps from the options that appear. This opens up the Microsoft Teams App Store where you can find various tools to enhance your workspace. In the search bar, type List and click on it when it appears in the results. This is the Microsoft Lists app that integrates seamlessly with Teams. Once you've found it, click Save to add it to your channel. This step installs the Lists app so you can start creating and managing lists right within Teams. After saving, you'll be presented with two options. You can either create new or add an existing list. For this example, let's click Create New to build a list from scratch. This gives you complete control over how your list is structured and what information it contains. Now you'll see choices between using a template or creating from blank. Templates are incredibly helpful as they come pre-configured with relevant columns and categories for common scenarios. For this example, let's click Travel Request from the available templates. This template is perfect for managing team travel plans and approval processes. Click on the travel request template and then click Use Template. This will set up your list with all the necessary fields already in place, saving you time and effort in customization. Next, you'll need to input a name for your list. Choose something descriptive that clearly indicates what the list is for, making it easy for team members to identify. Once you've entered the name, click Create. The system will now process your request and set up the list in your channel. Wait until it loads completely. This might take a few moments depending on your connection, but once it's done, your list will be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully created a list in Microsoft Teams that you and your team can now populate with travel requests, track their status, and manage approvals efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.